Good morning, students. In yesterday's lecture, we have studied in this given list, from this given list, we differentiated them in ears can be seen, has hair on skin, ears cannot be seen, has feathers on skin. Like this, in four categories, we have differentiated these animals. Now further we are going to see in which list did you put the cow and the buffalo. From a distance, can you see the hair on their skin? Try to go near one of them. Could you see the hair? Yes, we can see the hair. So we will put these two animals in the category. See, here I have written the answer. Animals with hair on their body and whose ears can be seen. In this category, we will put these two animals, cow and the buffalo. If you were to meet an elephant, would you dare to touch it? Do you know that an elephant also has hair on its skin? Yes, elephant also has hair on its skin, and everyone is very curious. As we go near to the elephant, we feel that yes, I want to touch it. If any person would take care is there, then we can touch it. Otherwise, easily we do not dare to touch it. Now see on page number 16 what is asked. Can you tell which of the animals mentioned in the list lay eggs? Find out and write the names of these animals in the green box. Which of the animals in the list give birth to babies? Write their names in the red box. Here two boxes are given and we have to see the list which is given on the previous page, and in these two tables. In red box, what you have to write? The name of the animals who give birth to babies, and in this box you have to write the animals who lay eggs. Okay, we will see that page number 15. See, here is the list. Now easily you can differentiate fox, elephant, then mouse, cat, camel, buffalo, pig, cow. Understood? These animals give birth to babies. These animals give birth to babies, and rest of the animals lay eggs. Lay eggs. Hen lay egg, crow lay eggs, sparrow, peacock, lizard, pigeon. Understood? Okay. So we have differentiated this list as the animals who give birth to babies. Okay, understood? Fox, mouse, then elephant, cat, camel. Understood? And here peacock is not laying egg, peahen is laying egg. Understood? Then buffalo gives birth to baby, pig and cow. And rest of these are egg-laying animals. Frog, hen, crow, sparrow, peacock. Not peacock here, peahen should be there. Understood? What it should be there? Peahen. Duck and pigeon. Now look again at the table on the previous page. Draw a line under the names of animals whose names are in the green box. Put a circle around the names of those animals whose names are in the red box. So what did you note? Those animals whose ears you can see have hair on their body, these animals give birth to the baby. Give birth to the baby, or you can say young ones. Those animals that do not have ears on the outside, do not have hair on their body, these animals lay eggs. Few questions are there. Have you seen animals around your house or school that have small babies? Yes, puppy we have seen, kitten we have seen. Write their names in your notebook. You can mention this answer. You can write this answer of your own. Have you ever kept a pet? Does anyone you know keep a pet? और किसी के पास पेट है, ये आपको पता है क्या? आपके रिलेटिव्स या फ्रेंड्स उनके घर पे, या फिर आपके खुद के पास पेट है? ये आंसर खुद से लिखना है. फाइंड आउट मोर अबाउट द पेट. विच एनिमल इज इट? क्या है पेट का नाम? राइट द नेम ऑफ दैट एनिमल. डज इट हैव अ नेम? इफ एनी स्पेसिफिक नेम इज देयर, यू कैन राइट द नेम ऑल्सो एंड व्हाट इट इज. Okay, who gave it this name? Either your brother, your friend, your grandfather, your uncle. Who gave that name to the pet? What does it like to eat? The favorite food you can write. If dog, cat, cow, whatever pet is there, you can write the food it like to eat. How many times a day is it given food? For like us, how many times we eat in a day? Like that, animal is having hunger. So what are the times in a day is it given food? When does it sleep? For how long does it sleep? These questions read once again and write answers of your own. Sleeping time of that pet. Right here. Is there any special way to look after this animal and how? Yes, there is a special way. Their animals are having their own language. When they are in a, if any wound is there, if they are hurted, or any kind of pain is there, their sound becomes different. So we have to look after them. We take them to veterinary doctor. Understood? Like this you have to write this answer. Does it gets angry? And when? How do you know it is angry? अगर डॉग एंग्री हो गया तो वह कैसे गुर्राता है? कैट का भी वैसे ही है. When anyone teases, when anyone give trouble, when anyone troubles them, then they get angry. Their expression changes, their sound changes. Understood, students? So read these questions again. These are experience based questions. Complete this exercise. Okay, thank you.